Hello and welcome to Moto Life. I want to share with you today how I have got rid of or very drastically improved the sound quality in my videos just using the basic items that I have here. And my sound quality in my videos has been transformed from this to this. I'm going to show you basically how I've done that. Now I use the GoPro Hero 7 Black to basically record all my footage, and obviously the problem of the wind noise just using the basic casing. Now that first video was just using the basic casing. The second video was then basically just using these three items that I've got here. This I already had lying around. This is just basic sponge. My kids have get some vitamin tablets and stuff like that. So in the vitamins, when you take the lid off, that's just put just basically the top of the container. So I had that kicking about. If you don't have obviously that kind, you can use basically any type of sponge. So anything like this, you know, just normal washing up sponge. All you need is a little piece, which I just take about, only a small amount, about this amount here. Now, firstly, there's two microphones on the GoPro. So there's one at the bottom here underneath, and then one at the top here. So when that goes into your case, all I've firstly done is just used a small piece of the sponge, which I've put at the top on here, which basically covers this one. And as you saw from the video, there's no, you're not having any sort of reduced sound quality in the videos. It's really, really good quality. So I just put this piece of sponge just over here. Now I've already done it on this one. I do believe I've got a very good setup, so I'm not going to take this off and you know, hopefully you know, reduce my the noise quality from mine. So I do believe it's set up just perfectly, but it was basically just a piece of sponge that just goes over the hole. You take small piece of the insulation tape. You could probably cut it just to make it, you know, it's got a crisper, just so it's got a crisper edge. Probably about this much. So you put that one over, goes over the top, and literally just wrap it round, following the inside of the GoPro casing. And then literally you just secure it down, pushing all around the sides. So literally, like mine, you should just have, if you can see there, a little bump in the middle, and then it's all completely encased in. Should be pretty waterproof as well when you've done it. So there's one there, and then obviously you do the same just underneath. Then what I got, which to be fair I was quite dubious at the start, was this. Now this is called the Windslayer, so I just wanted to make sure first of all this could live up to its name. But basically eBay, £5.85. This I already had in, that I already had in. So for £5.85, as you saw from the video, I've completely removed, or very heavily removed, all the wind noise, which is obviously the problem with the GoPros. Excellent footage, but when you're on the move, the sound quality is quite poor. Now the first video was just basically standard speed. I think it was maybe 25-30 miles an hour. The second video was 70 mile an hour, dare I say it, maybe a smidge more. So it really just shows for £5.85, you know, how inexpensive that is. You know, a lot of people, when they're doing their footage, they get the different microphone adapters, reroute different microphones, or they'll use the camera for the footage, and then they'll get or they'll buy, I don't even know how much they are, I need to check, probably thinking maybe 100, maybe a couple of £100, different audio recording equipment. So they'll use that for the footage, and then they will put audio recording equipment maybe in the seat, just under the seat of the bike. So for me, once I have covered those over, the GoPro goes inside. Clips that in. The Windslayer I then put just over. Now the Windslayer that I've got, I've only had it basically about a week. I should imagine, keep taking it out to change batteries and stuff, the quality will degrade, but for £5.85, you know, order a few. But I'm interested to see how long it will last. But I have the HJC, the Alpha 70. I use it front mounted on here. It looks quite big and bulky, I dare say, compared to the you know, the standard casing, but it doesn't impair your vision. Obviously, when you're inside the helmet looking over, you can literally just glance the top here, so it doesn't impair your vision whatsoever. Still looks pretty cool, but as you see from the video, that's my setup, and that's how I got rid of the wind noise. So yeah, get on eBay, get one ordered, £5.85. It came from China. I think it came within 10 days. It was pretty quick. And I think I'm going to jump on there and just get a few more of them, just so for when I keep taking the battery out in and out of this GoPro, it's probably going to degrade a bit, but it seems pretty tough. It does the job, and I'll just show you again the footage from my setup here. But that's it. Thank you for watching.